Hello, welcome to You Plant Tube. If you are like me, who enjoys growing their own top quality pesticide-free tomatoes, then you're going to want to watch this video to the end. This video is not like the other YouTube channels, who will just tell you how to grow vegetables. This is a how-to channel that will go through all the necessary stages to show you how to successfully grow tomatoes. One of the first things we need to do is to choose a variety of tomato seeds that we know to grow well in the region of the world you will be using the seeds. Now use a pencil and plant seeds 1/8 inch deep. Once you have decided on the variety, you need to consider the spacing. Tomato plants are between 24 to 36 inches. There is no need to overwhelm yourself with sowing too many seeds. Not all tomato seeds germinate, so it's best to sow 2 seeds per pot and later thin the sprouted seedlings so only one remains. Now lightly tap down the soil to eliminate some of the air pockets. Once you have finished with the seeds, don't forget to label the seed variety and the date. When watering the seeds for the first time, make sure you give them a thorough soaking. Unfortunately, when temperatures remain low, germination may be slow. Be patient. As you can see, some of the seeds have germinated. These seeds have germinated indoors. At this stage, we're going to transplant the seedlings into larger pots. This size pot is ideal for the seedlings to be transplanted in. Fill this pot halfway with some potting soil. Using the end of a pencil is a good method to remove the seedlings from the seed tray, as just now shown in the video. Now add the seedling on the soil we added to the pot and refill with more soil. Repeat this process until you have transplanted every seedling you will be using. Once you have finished transplanting, water the seeds at soil level, and from now on avoid getting wet any of the foliage, as this will minimize the chance of any disease affecting your plants. Here we can see the roots have made their way out of the soil. Roots need soil to continue growing. So once again, we're going to transplant these seedlings into larger pots. This also has an advantage. By adding new potting soil, you are adding nutrients back to the plant that has its nutrients washed away from previous watering. Observe how to remove the pot without destroying any of the roots. Damaging the roots will slow down the growing process and could even kill your plant, also known as transplant shock. Transplant shock can also occur when the plant has not established a root system extending enough to keep up with the needs of the plant. As these roots spiral downwards, once again they have outgrown these pots. At this stage, they are now ready to be planted in their final destination. Adding some homemade compost will help your plant stay healthy and help fertilize your plant the organic way. Once again, be careful not to damage the roots when transplanting. Now give your plant another layer of good homemade organic compost. Now just repeat the process until you have completely transplanted all your seedlings into a raised bed or the container you will be using. After a couple of weeks, add more homemade compost as a fertilizer. Tomato plants can never get enough calcium, so to ensure that we don't end up with blossom end rot, add some calcium. Sulfur can be used in the soil or on the tomato plants to help develop tasty tomatoes, while sulfur is only needed in small amounts as a micronutrient to grow tomatoes. Sandy soils can be deficient in sulfur. Sulfur helps organic compounds that help impart flavor to tomatoes. At this stage, I have decided to remove the lower leaves to help with air circulation, which can also prevent fungal diseases. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell to receive future amazing informative videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.